Want to set your favorite MP3 or downloaded sound as your notification tone on a Samsung phone? By default, Samsung only shows built-in notification sounds, but you can add custom ones. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open Settings on your Samsung device. Then tap Sounds and Vibration. Next, go to Notification Sound. Here, you'll notice only the default Samsung notification tones are available. There's no option to add custom sounds yet. So to use your own MP3 or audio file, you need to place it in the Notifications folder. Download the notification tone to your Samsung phone. Now open the My Files app on your Samsung phone. Go to Downloads and find the MP3 or audio file you want to use. Long press the audio file, then tap Move or Copy. Next, choose Internal Storage. Scroll down and open the Notifications folder. Tap Move here. Once you see Moved or Completed, your custom sound is now added to Samsung's notification list. Now go back to Settings, right-pointing arrow Sounds and Vibration, right-pointing arrow Notification Sound. At the top, you'll now see your custom audio file listed. Tap it to select. And that's it. Your custom MP3 is now set as your Samsung notification sound. So that's how you can set any custom notification sound on a Samsung phone. Works on One UI and all modern Galaxy devices.